Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you have been here before, thank you for coming back. So today what we're going to talk about is how to take just a regular silk bathrobe and turn it into a fashion piece. Now, of course, my fashion tips and tricks are coming from a plus size view, but keep in mind you don't have to be plus size to take these tips and jazz it up and incorporate it in your wardrobe and in your style to just look fashion forward. Okay. So I want to say, make sure your bathrobe is silk. You don't want a cotton bathrobe or like thick, like that thick bathrobe that you just jump out the shower that's gray. That is not the bathrobe we're going for. We're going for silk. So I got this bathrobe from Shein. I got it about a month and a half ago, and I wanted something to go all the way to the ground. So keep in mind, I won't be wearing shoes in this video because I try to make sure I don't have any shoes on while I'm in the house. So that's why I don't wear shoes in my video. So, but with this, I paired it with this black dress. So this to me will be considered a date night. This is more of a baby doll dress. And once again, the statement piece is this bathrobe. Once again, I paired it with some hoops. Let me show you what purse I would wear with this. I'll be right back. Now I will pair it with this purse. I got this purse from Ross last year, and the purse is so cute. Let me show you guys the detail of the purse. Like the buckle is like a big diamond. How cute is that? And then in the inside, just wear it like this.
Make my heart beat, need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you.
Or because it has the strap, or that type of person that don't like to wear gold accessories with silver accessories. Personally, me, I don't care about that. That is not my jizz. But if you are the type of person that cares about those type of things, then of course make sure you can change out your earrings or whatever like that. But like I said, there you go. This gives me a 90s vibe. Like sitting up in my room singing Brandy. Sit up in my room. Back here feeling you. Like this gives me that type of vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. This is what this robe gives me. It's so cute and stylish, like with some heels. Now I do have a pair of heels that I never wore, so I'm okay with putting those on in this video because if it's colder in your part where you are, please do not wear those shoes that got your foot out. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't have them toes cold. Put them up. But if it's not like where I am in Houston, it's not cold. People gonna be thinking, who is she? What is her name? Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope you gather some tips on how to take a regular silk bath robe and make it a statement piece for your date nights. And if this is your first time here and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. I upload every Thursday with something to give to you from my heart to yours. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please remember that anything could be considered fashion. It's all about how you wear it, how you own it, and how you embrace it. So love you guys. See you next time.